Hello there! Welcome to this special review on Pwnk, the latest streaming game by Starscape. If you are a streamer or you simply want to have fun with other people live, this is truly for you. With your Steam account, go to Store and search for Pwnk, named as Stream Battle Royale. This game has been launched this April, surprising a lot of users with decisive positive reviews. It includes up to 22 mini-games inside that you can pick and play completely for free. Once you install the game, launch it from Steam. The home page shows buttons to connect platforms including Twitch, Facebook, and YouTube. Pwnk is indeed a game for streamers, in order to play with your fans, friends, and other streamers worldwide, so make sure your line connection is good enough for this. As you enter inside Pwnk, you get the settings panel on the left with the usual game options, such as screen size and resolution, possibility to connect to a Discord account, log out, or quit. On the main screen, select the game mode, following the tips on top. In this video, we are going to see free play versus streamers and Pwnk Royale. On free play, you find several mini-games you can play alone and completely for free. For example, with Pwnk Game World, you have to guess the Pwnk game from a given screenshot. With Pwnk Actor, you have to guess actors and films through a photo and several choices. Whereas with Shanghai Poker, you shall extract the number 24 from a given set of cards by performing math operations in the correct order. Pick Pwnk Food to guess the country or the territory where a traditional food is made. Otherwise, choose Pwnk Blitz to match the card with the correct shape shown, but also the card that does not match subject and colors at all. Up to 10 mini-games will be added every single month in the future. On Versus Streamers, you start a battle against another streamer. This game mode allows you to choose any game to play with other streamers, or your own fans, and even run challenges between them just like a game organizer. Set webcam, microphone, and speaker options, and select the game, such as Pong to launch a ball. The streamers will challenge, but the result depends on how many fans participate in chat during the game. The streamer having more audience will shoot more balls like guns, making more fun and excitement every time. These balls reduce the health points of the opponent and can be rejected just like the classic Pong game. At each successful defense against multiple balls, a single one is generated, but more powerful. A final big ball comes out, ready to revert the sword of the challenge. The streamer with 0 HP loses. More games will come soon. Now let's see one of the main games, called Pwnk Royale. This is indeed a game campaign, with up to 456 streamers worldwide that make 5 rounds of mini-games inside Pwnk. Each round comes with a random mini-game, at which each streamer does its best to get the most points. In this case, finding the most number of dolls inside. When the round is over, Pwnk shows the result of all viewers. The ones with the least points will be eliminated, whereas all the others go through the second round. This comes at random, in this case asking to find the colored snack with the largest area. The last user that remains in the Pwnk Royale challenge wins virtual currency that in the future can be used to buy game items and special avatars. Another game called Olympia works like Pwnk Royale, with the difference that the streamers won't get eliminated at each round. Moreover, you can click on leaderboards to get the golden list of the best players on each single game on Pwnk. Also, do not forget to join the official Discord channel to get more information, help, and connect with other streamers. Thank you very much for watching this review. Click our video description to learn more about Pwnk Battle Royale and Starscape.